morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Last night I prepared spicy chicken bhuna, a very nice Indian slow simmer dish. It was very good. The combination of all the spices, just fantastic. The house smells wonderful. So I will get that posted up for you to play with and do with it as you will. Yeah. Tonight, kind of staying in the same area, but moving over to China. Stir-fried noodles with beef, how fun. Yeah. How as in H-O. Fun is, yeah, F-U-N. Beef noodle dish. Let's get to it. Got the walkout. Good old champion. She had a couple days off. All right. Obviously, there's going to be some beef involved. This is kind of broke up into three parts. We've got the beef, which goes with the marinade. The marinade is Chinese cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of white pepper, and just a little bit of white sugar. The second portion is basically the beef, which is after it's being marinated. I'm using udon noodles. The recipe calls for something different. But yeah, this is what I have on hand, and this is what I want. So we have the noodles, bean sprouts, onion, bell pepper, green onions, and garlic. The third portion is the actual sauce, which is oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and hoisin sauce, and again, a little bit of sugar. And then a splash of water on top of that. So a good old combination for both the marinade and the sauce. Yummy. All right. So on this Friday, TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.